Welcome, my name is Mr. Olson. I'm a math teacher at Maine East High School. The following videos are for Accelerated Algebra 2 freshmen for the 2014-2015 school year. All right, so here's a textbook we use. It's the second year we've been using it, Larson Algebra 2. The students should have an electronic version, but they do have hard copies as well. These are the 10 chapters in the book. We'll at least get through the first 9 chapters, possibly the 10th. So quadratics, polynomials, rational exponents, logs, rational functions, statistics, sequences and series, conics, trig, and trig graphs and equations. In addition to the stuff in the textbook, we'll be doing other things as well. I am also the freshman math team coach, so I incorporate the 4 North Suburban Math League contests into my class. So here are the 4 math team topics this year: number theory, probability, number bases, and linear equations and inequalities and quadratics. So these will all count for a grade. Much of the work is without a calculator. We use calculators as a learning tool and also when dealing with real life problems which aren't in friendly format. But for the most part, we'll be doing things without a calculator, and it'll be just exact simplified answers. All right, so the way the videos work, each one will be numbered. This is the chapter, and this is the lesson. So there is no lesson 0, this is just an introduction. In each video, I hope to make them short. I know it's hard to focus on videos, and some students think they're boring. So I shoot for 5 minutes. I can never exceed 12 minutes. When I shoot in full HD with my camera, my sensor will start overheating after 12 minutes and it cuts off. But 5 minutes is what I'm shooting for. And the way I do this is I'll just pick 1 or 2 simple, important concepts from each lesson. I'll make a video on that. And students watch the video the night before I teach the lesson. And then when they come in the following school day, what I'll do is I'll give a short quiz. Last year I did this, it was just a 1-point quiz, and I counted it for a grade, and a lot of students told me that kind of stressed them out. They sometimes needed help from a real live teacher, and they were getting anxious. So what I've decided to do this year is give a quiz, still count it for 1 point, but only if you get the 1 point, it'll count. If you get less than that, it won't count. So in other words, it can only help your grade and not hurt your grade. And that way at least you're motivated to watch them and try to do well in the quiz. But if not, no problem. Learn it in class, get more practice, and for the test, you should be fine. You could also use these videos if you're absent from class to see what we're doing, at least a little bit, to study for the test, things of that nature. So I'm trying this for the second year. I hope it goes well. I just love teaching Algebra 2, I love teaching freshmen, and I really love teaching math team topics. And out of the math team topics, we've got some of my favorites. Number theory, probability, and number bases are my top 3. So I'm really passionate about those. Some chapters that I love, logarithms I love, conics I love, trig I love, again, quadratics. There's a lot going on there, so just I hope you enjoy math as much as I do, and I hope you have a great year. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you. So let's have a great year, and I look forward to seeing you all throughout the year.